So just a really quick video on the features of the Diamondback Release 4C. This was, I just took it for the first ride, and absolutely great bike. Suspension worked perfect. That level link suspension is really nice. So right off the bat, let's start with the wheels. The wheels are actually Diamondback, the Blanchard wheels. They're 28 millimeter with let's see here. There you go. I did change it to tubeless. They come tubeless ready, already taped and everything. The bike comes with the tubeless valves. All I had to do is buy the sealant and just remove the tube, put the sealant in, pump them up. It worked perfect. Comes with the Minion DHF tubeless ready tires. We have a Fox 34, it's the 2018 version with the Evol. It comes with a 35 millimeter Diamondback branded stem and handlebar. It has the Dior brakes. We have SLX shifters. Comes with the southpaw for the dropper post. Comes with some nice ergon grips, so that's a nice little touch there. On the rear we have the float, the Fox Float DPS with the 3 positioning and the lockout. As far as the crank, we have the race face effect. I did change the pedals. It comes with some nice Diamondback platform pedals, but I use clipless, so I changed it to those. It's 180 millimeter front and back discs, and you can see the Dior calipers there. They're not the greatest, but they worked well. Of course, you have the level link suspension. It comes with the KS Lev dropper post. I have a large frame, so it's 150 millimeter drop. I have to put it right up to the collar, and the height works for me, luckily, but just barely. We have the SLX drivetrain and the 11-speed in the rear, with a really big 46 max cog and a 30 tooth in the front, and it's the effect uses the cinch. It comes with a steel sprocket there, chain ring, but that chain ring, you know, I've read it's, even though it's a little heavier, it's going to outlast, of course, an aluminum one. And the saddle is the WTD. And then we also, of course, have the Minion in the rear, the DHR for rear. So that's the bike. Worked beautifully today, first ride. I still have Diamondback Across, and this is a lot nicer. So if you're thinking about a bike for the price, right now it's retails for $29.99.99, so $3,000 for a carbon frame. The carbon frame is really nice also. A lot of nice details there. And it has internal routing for the dropper. It has internal routing for the derailleur, and then external routing for the rear brake. The internal routing for the derailleur goes in through the tube, comes back out here, the down tube, and it goes inside the chainstay there, and then it comes right back out the end. Alright, so really nice bike for the price. Rides beautiful. That Fox suspension works great with that level link. So it was a great buy. It's a good For the price, it's an excellent bike. Hope you liked it.